Hey, Kaji. Kaji. Kaji, what are you doing? Kaji, what are you doing? What are you doing? You want to go? You do? You want to go get the mail? Okay. You gonna get the door? All right, I'll get the door. Come on. All right, let's go. Stupid cat. You're not stupid. You're smart. Yeah? You want to go get? It's down here, bud. It's down here. Let's go. Come on, bud. I know, you're just kidding. Come on. Come on. Come on, bud. What are you doing? Come on. What's going on out there? What's going on outside? What's out there? What's out there? Did you get any mail? Where'd you go? All right, let me get the mail. Where'd you go? You want to go this way? Come on, bud. You want to go this way? Kitty, come back. All right, let's go this way. Did Kitty get a letter? Let's see. Kitty just got bills. That's it. Just bills, huh? Better get out your kitty wallet. Hey, you don't care about what's going on over here? Hey, Kaji. What's going on out here? You see anything? Is it the bill collector? All right, let's go. Whoa, whoa, you're gonna go up there? Who do you think you are? How old are you? Hey, how old are you? Kaji, how old are you? What, you're too busy to talk? You're too busy to answer your fans? Say, I'm 1. How old? How old? Huh? Cat got your tongue? Come on. Let's go. Come on. Hey. Kaji. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Time to go home. Time to go home. Come on. Come on. Go get in there. All right, say goodbye to all your fans.